At BorderConnect, our goal is to make creating eManifests as fast and easy as possible. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an AC manifest for the United States. We'll start by logging into BorderConnect and navigating to Start New AC Manifest. In ACE, the first step is to assign a unique reference number for the manifest, called a trip number. Your SCAT code always starts the trip number and identifies you as the carrier. The trip number must be unique and cannot match an existing trip number. Now we'll provide the location the truck will enter into the U.S., known as the U.S. port of arrival. When you see a magnifying glass on the end of a field, BorderConnect will look up the information we're trying to find, so we can enter the port code or port name. You can also look it up by using the opposite Canadian port. Next, we'll enter our ETA. This must be provided at least 1 hour from the time the manifest is accepted. I'll select Friday at 10 a.m. Notice the shortcuts I'm using to make entering the date and time very quick. We're now ready to enter our truck. There are 3 ways to find existing trucks. Hit spacebar to see a full listing, type in the license plate, or type in the unit number. If your truck isn't inside BorderConnect, you can click the Add New Truck link. You can add your trailer in the same way, using spacebar to view the trailer listing, typing in the trailer unit number, or trailer license plate. You can also add a new trailer on the fly by clicking the Add New Trailer link. Everything works in a consistent, easy to understand manner. Adding a driver works identically. We can scroll through the driver list by hitting spacebar. We can type in the first or last name, or create a new driver using the Add New Driver link. Also, notice the green links that appear once you've selected your data. You can add extra trip data from this screen, such as secondary driver, passenger, seals, or IIT status of the truck or trailer. We're now finished the trip portion and ready to add a shipment. I'll use the Save and Start New ACE Shipment shortcut, which will bring me to the ACE shipment form. New shipments will default to the most common type, PAPS, and you can change it if necessary. We'll enter a shipment control number, which uniquely identifies this shipment. In this case, a PAPS barcode number. Remember, this shipment control number must be unique and can't match an existing shipment control number. You'll also notice certain fields are already pre-filled based on our trip details, including the province of loading and the shipment being attached to the current trip. We can add shippers and consignees by hitting space and finding them in the listing, typing in the name, or typing in the address. You can also add a new shipper or consignee on the fly, the same way we did with the driver, truck, and trailer. Assigning a broker isn't necessary. However, some brokers use the CBP broker download to match information. If you wish to provide a broker, enter the name of the broker, or type in the broker's filer code. You can also enter the broker's office location. Otherwise, BorderConnect will default to the trip's port. We're now ready to add a commodity, so I'll click the Save and Add Commodity shortcut. We'll enter a general description of goods we're carrying, and if it's a commodity you've hauled before, the quantity type and unit of weight will change to match. Marks and numbers for the commodity is optional, so we'll skip it. If you haul hazardous goods, provide a hazmat UN code and emergency contact name and number here. We've now finished entering this eManifest data, and I'll click Save and back to AC Manifest. We'll quickly look over the AC Manifest and confirm details are correct before sending to CBP. If we had another shipment to add, we'd simply click Create New Shipment and follow the same process as the last shipment. If I wanted to leave a comment, I could enter it using the Add Comment button. This will only be visible inside BorderConnect and is not transmitted as part of the eManifest. Since everything looks good, we'll use the Send to CBP button and click Send Complete eManifest. Once CBP accepts my trip, the status bar of my manifest will change from 2 yellow bars, transmitted status, to 3 blue bars, indicating that the complete manifest is now on file with CBP. Once your custom broker completes the entry on their end, the trip will move to 4 green bars and provide you with the entry number, and possibly send SMS messages to your drivers. When the truck arrives at the border, the trip will then move to 5 green bars, and when the truck is released, the status bar will move to 6 green bars. When viewing the listing of all my AC manifests, I can easily see the status of all my AC manifests at a glance. I can also view comments right from this listing, allowing for quick communication about eManifests. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our 24/7 support team at 1-800-596-5176. If you're not using BorderConnect, sign up for a free 30-day trial at www.borderconnect.com and get an additional 15 days free by using special promo code EasyAce.